Hello students, we will continue the chapter linear equation in two variables. In the last class, we have learned about what are the linear equation and how we will represent the linear equation in two variables. Some graphs I have taught to you कि if x is constant, then the given graph will be parallel to y-axis, and if y is equal to constant, then the graph is the parallel to x-axis. One more question I am taking: find k when if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. I want to get the value of k when x and y is given. Simple. What we will do? Write the value of x and y at the place of x and y. The value of x is equal to 2. The value of y is equal to 1. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. Then k must be 7. It means the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. At the fixed value of x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1, the k is equal to 7. Now, a question in the exercise 4.3 is given, which is quite important. If the point 3 and 4 lies on the graph, the point 3 and 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Find a. Simple. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Then we have to find the value of a. Simple. What we will do? The first coordinate is always x and second coordinate is always y. We will not read it as y comma x. Always it will read as x comma y. First coordinate always belongs to x. Second coordinate always belongs to y. Put the value of y here. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. What we are getting? 4 3s are 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, or 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7, what we are getting? 5 is equal to 3a, or if we will write, then a is equal to 5 by 3. It means at a is equal to 5 by 3, the values of x will be 3 and 4, or we can say at the coordinate 3 and 4, the value of a will be 5 by 3. Now, one question I am telling, question number 4, exercise 4.3, which is most important question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. The first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 kilometer for the first. Suppose this is the 1 kilometer. I have to pay rupees 8. And for the subsequent distances, the rupees 5 per kilometer, subsequent distances. This, and so on. 5 kilometer per distance I have to pay. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer, this total distance is x kilometer. Suppose we are moving from here, this point to this point, this is x kilometer, and total fare is y. Total fare is equal to rupees y I have paid. Then have to write the linear equation and then draw the graph. Total fare is rupees y I have paid. Means this 1 kilometer for rupees 8 and these subsequent distances for rupees 5. This total distance is x kilometer. This distance is 1 kilometer. These distances, this distance is x minus 1 kilometer, because the total distance from A to B is equal to x kilometer, but the distance of AC is equal to 1 kilometer and remaining distance will be y x minus 1 kilometer. Total fare I have paid y rupees. Y is equal to y rupees I have paid. How? For first kilometer, it means first kilometer rupees 8. First kilometer rupees 8 plus x minus 1 kilometer rupees 5. 8 ones are 8 plus 5x minus 5, then it is 5x plus 3. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is the linear equation in two variables of the given question. Y is equal to 5x plus 3 and I have to draw the graph of this one. Now here we are seeing that y is totally dependent on x. If we are changing the value of x, change the value of y. So firstly draw the table. Always mind this thing, that if we want to draw the graph, then always there must be 3 coordinates. Without 3 coordinates we cannot draw a graph or write graph. X comma y. If we will change the value of x, suppose I am taking x is equal to 1. X is equal to not 1, x is equal to suppose 2. Let x is equal to 2. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. For this graph, we will not take the value of x as negative, because x is the distance which cannot negative. X is equal to 2. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 4. Then 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23. And if suppose I have taken 3 5s are 15 plus 3, 18. Means we have to draw the graph of these coordinates. This is x-axis, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. I am taking x is equal to 1 because there is no negative point and there is no negative point in y-axis, so that we can draw it as like this one. This is origin, this is x, this is y. X is equal to 2. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And suppose this distance is I have taken at the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now, if x is equal to 2, then y equal to 13. X is equal to 2 and y equal to 13. With 13 in between of this one. 13, this one. this one point will be 2 comma 13. Similarly, second point 3 comma 18. 18 this one, 3 comma 18. This is 3 comma 18. Suppose this point is A, this point is B, and third point is 4 comma 23. 23 4. Four comma 23, so that we can draw these coordinates like this one. Join the points A, B and C. A, B and C. We will get the straight line to represent the graph of the given equation. We will get always a straight line for these sort of graphs. Understand? Firstly, make the linear equation of two variables. The equation is y equal to 1 into 8 plus x minus 1 into 5, or y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. We are getting y equal to 5x plus 3. This is the equation, and with the help of this equation we have drawn this graph which represent the straight line.